Hi guys! So in today's video I'm going to talk to you about WhatsApp status new update or WhatsApp new features. So I just noticed this in my WhatsApp, so I thought I'd share with you. So if you go into your WhatsApp, and you may notice these highlighted green ring around the profile pictures on some of them. This means that a person has a new updated status that you haven't seen yet or viewed yet. So if you were to click on the green highlighted profile pic, it now takes you direct to the new updated status of a person. You can see here, it took me straight to AE29's status, which reads, "Merry Christmas to all." Previously, you would have had to go straight to the status tab at the top to know which of your contacts had updated their status, or you wouldn't have known. And if you went straight to the status, it would have showed you all of the persons that you haven't opened up their status yet. You haven't viewed their statuses yet. So if you went straight there from the top tab, this is what it would have looked like. And I guess it makes sense, so it's quicker to identify which of your contacts has updated their status without having to go actually to the status tab first. You can see it direct on the home screen, like the first screen you get to, you see it immediately. So that's quite a good feature from them. AE29 is an excellent content creator on YouTube. So if you haven't checked out her 3 channels, I suggest please have a look at AE29 Fashion, AE29 DIY, and they also have AE29 Kids. So please subscribe to all 3 of their channels, and thank you very much for all this time you spent on this video here today. Really do appreciate your time. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel as well. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.